Hello guys, welcome to Rashmi Sharma classes, and our today's topic is saturated caramel electrode. You can say SCE, right? So firstly we will introduce it. What is SCE? Introduction. Saturated caramel electrode is a reference electrode in polarography cell assembly. What is caramel? We are using a word caramelize here. So caramel is a saturated solution of potassium chloride in water, right? As we know that in PCA, DME act as cathodic while SCE act as anode. DME means doping mercury electrode and SCE is saturated caramel electrode. DME doping mercury electrode is cathodic while SCE saturated caramel electrode is anode. SCE act as reference electrode too. So we had used a word PCA. What is a PCA? PCA is principal component analysis, which is formed by combination of 4 electrodes, right? Here we can say that we are using 4 electrode in a combination form, and that is called PCA, right? So SCE generally employed as non-polarographic stable reference electrode. The SCE is connected to negative terminal of PCA, right? This electrode consists mercury, mercurous chloride, paste and potassium chloride solution. So when mercury and mercurous chloride combine, it will give you caramel form. So its name is saturated caramel electrode. Is that clear? Now what is the theory of its? Its theory can be defined as just like this. Just a minute. Right. Theory. In SC agar solution is used, this agar solution is prepared by warming 3% of agar in saturated solution of potassium chloride till it become a homogeneous. It means agar solution is prepared by 3% of agar in potassium chloride solution up to homogeneous formation, right? The reaction can be written as reaction will be of two types formation. First one is our when there is increase in concentration of potassium chloride. So you can say when there is increase in concentration of chlorine ions. So mercury ions get react with 2 electron. It means they will consume 2 electron and give you mercury, right? And mercurous chloride will also give reversible reaction in form of mercurous ion and chlorine ion, right? So first case is when concentration increase of chlorine ion. So second case will when concentration decrease of chlorine ion. So second one is when decrease in concentration of chlorine ion. So reaction will be mercurous chloride will consist or consume 2 electron and give you 2 mercury atoms and chlorine ions. So potassium ion and chlorine ion are used to maintain the electrical balance, right? Now what is the working and construction of it, which is the main of this electrode? Because if you want to consist marks, then this one is the most important thing you should know about it, right? What is the construction and what is the diagram of it? So let's discuss working and construction. This is diagram of saturated caramel electrode. Here is a glass tube in which narrow glass tube is fitted, in which platinum wire is fitted, and this one is our potassium chloride solution, this one is our mercurous chloride paste, and this is our mercury, right? Here is a stopper to remove the liquid, and we can use this stopper to stop flowing of liquid, right? Here is a side tube to release the gas components. Okay, so let's start. What is the working? Saturated caramel electrode is connected to negative end of battery in PCA. It consists potassium chloride, mercury and mercurous chloride paste in tube, right? Potassium chloride, mercurous chloride and mercury. Mercury must be pure and free from other particles. It should be pure. It's compulsory, right? It must be pure. Second, firstly, it should be washed with pure water. It means saturated calomel electrode should be washed with pure water to extract the impurity. After that, one minute. After a degree of purity of mercury can be easily checked by foam test. So you have to remember that purity of mercury is generally checked by foam test, right? During the experiment, we must be careful because mercurous vapors are highly toxic in nature and it can cause various problems. Mercury is toxic, so we should, or you can say we must be careful. As the mercury has high grade purity, so it is placed at the bottom of glass tube as shown in figure like this. This is bottom of glass tube and mercury is here, right? After that, this mercury is covered with mercurous chloride paste. Mercurous chloride paste is covered with potassium chloride solution, right? Mercury is covered with mercurous chloride paste and mercurous chloride paste is covered with potassium chloride solution. After that, a platinum wire is sealed into glass tube which will completely inner circuit. It means the platinum wire will complete the inner circuit. What is its function? That it will complete the inner circuit. This platinum wire, right? So after that, the potential of electrode will depend upon the concentration of potassium chloride solution. So you can say the potential will depend upon potassium chloride solution. The calomel solution is filled. Yeah, you can say calomel electrode is filled with saturated potassium chloride. So it is called saturated calomel electrode. Calomel electrode is filled with saturated potassium chloride. So it will call saturated calomel electrode, right? The electrode can be connected to the polarographic cell through a tube joined as side tube on the vessel. Now, what are the advantages and what are the limitation of it? Which is also important for us because before working we should know about the advantage of it and what are the limitations of it. We should know about it, right? So advantages are it is used in pH measurement. It means saturated calomel electrode is generally used in pH measurement. It is used in cyclic voltammetry. It is also used in aqueous electrochemistry. It means where we use a solution type of formation with the help of electricity, right? So it is also used in aqueous electrochemistry. The activity of metal ion in fixed by solubility of metal salt. In saturated calomel electrode, mercury pool is also used only in solution that contains ions, giving insoluble mercurous ion, right? We can say that it should be insoluble mercurous ion. Now, what are limitations of it? Limitations may also be defined as the calomel electrode contains mercury, which has much greater health hazard. You know, mercury is toxic in nature, so it is hazardous for nature. Yeah, you can say health hazardous. Then, the silver metal used in silver chloride electron. So, on the place of mercury chloride paste, we can use silver chloride because mercury is hazardous. So, I hope you like this video. So, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you guys. If someone have any kind of doubt, then you can write me in comment box. If you want any kind of topic that you require, then you can also write in comment box. If you have any doubts in this topic, then also please tell me. Thanks everyone.